Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to get TikTok Shop coupons. Follow TikTok's official accounts, including @TikTok and @TikTok Shop, to stay updated on the latest promotions, discounts, and coupon offers. TikTok occasionally runs promotional challenges or campaigns where users can participate to win rewards, including coupons for TikTok Shop. Keep an eye out for sponsored posts or videos from brands on TikTok. Some brands may offer coupons or discount codes as part of their promotional activities. TikTok hosts live shopping events where viewers can shop directly within the app. These events may feature special discounts or coupon codes for participants. Visit the TikTok Shop section within the app to explore current deals, discounts, and promotions. Look for banners or announcements related to coupons. If TikTok offers newsletters or email updates, consider subscribing to receive notifications about upcoming promotions, coupon offers, and exclusive deals. Many influencers and creators on TikTok collaborate with brands and may share coupon codes or promotions with their followers. Follow relevant creators for potential coupon opportunities. Pay attention to ads promoted on TikTok, as they may include coupon codes or links to special offers on TikTok Shop. Keep an eye out for special events or sales hosted on TikTok Shop. These events may feature discounts, coupons, or limited time offers. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.